Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Rethinking the td-ameritrade library, building a more flexible and customizable trading interface. The official td-ameritrade API is a powerful tool for building automated trading strategies, analyzing market data, and creating custom dashboards. However, directly using the available libraries, like td-ameritrade-python, can sometimes feel limiting. You might find yourself wanting more control over data structures, asynchronous operations, or wanting to tightly integrate the API with specific frameworks like asyncio or fastapi. This tutorial explores how to rethink the td-ameritrade library, focusing on building a more flexible and customizable interface for interacting with the API. We'll cover 1. Understanding the API's core concepts ** OAuth 2 authentication, rate limits, and data structures. 2. Building a modular client * focusing on smaller, reusable functions for specific API endpoints. 3. Embracing asynchronous operations * utilizing asyncio for non-blocking API requests. 4. Custom data structures * defining your own data classes for better organization and type safety. 5. Handling errors and rate limits * implementing robust error handling and retry mechanisms. 6. Integration with modern frameworks * briefly touching on using this redesigned library with fastapi. Understanding the API's core concepts. Before diving into code, let's recap the critical elements of the td-ameritrade API. *OAuth 2 authentication * The API uses OAuth 2 for authentication. You'll need to register an application with td-ameritrade's developer portal to obtain a client _ID and then go through the authentication flow to obtain an access _token and refresh _token. Rate limits * The API has rate limits to prevent abuse. Exceeding these limits will result in error responses. It's crucial to implement mechanisms to monitor and respect the rate limits. Data structures * The API returns data in JSON format. Understanding the structure of these JSON responses is key to properly parsing and using the data. Refer to the official API documentation for specific endpoint schemas. 2. Building a modular client. Instead of relying on a large, monolithic library, we'll build a modular client with small, focused functions. This approach promotes code reusability and makes it easier to understand and maintain. Explanation **** td-ameritrade client class * encapsulates the API interactions. *__init__* initializes the client with your client _ID, and optionally access _token, refresh _token, and redirect _URI. *_get _headers * creates the authorization header with the current access token. *_make _request * the core function that handles making API requests, including asynchronous requests uses IOT for non-blocking requests. Error handling includes try, except blocks to catch IOT. Client response error, for HTTP errors, and other exceptions. Rate limit handling implements exponential backoff for handling 429 too many requests errors. It waits, retries and doubles the wait time each time. Token refresh if a 401 unauthorized error is received, it attempts to refresh the access token. Retry logic attempts the request a specified number of times before giving up. Specific endpoint methods get _quotes, get _account, get _accounts, get _price _history, place _order, get _orders, get _order. These methods are specific to td-ameritrade API endpoints, making your code more organized. They take the necessary parameters for each endpoint. Asterisk refresh underscore access underscore token asterisk handles refreshing the access token using the refresh token. This is crucial for long-running applications. A asyncio.lock is added to make sure the refresh token logic is thread safe. It uses the token underscore URL and requires client underscore ID, refresh underscore token, and redirect underscore URI. Asterisk quote data class asterisk a more type safe and organized structure to store the data, and make it more readable. Asterisk example usage asterisk demonstrates how to use the client to retrieve quotes, account information, price history, and place an order. Remember to replace the placeholders with your actual credentials and order details. 3. Embracing asynchronous operations. The example above uses IOP and asyncio to make asynchronous API requests. This is essential for building responsive applications, especially when dealing with multiple API calls. Benefits of asynchronous operations asterisk. Asterisk non-blocking asterisk your program doesn't have to wait for each API request to complete before moving on to the next task. Asterisk concurrency asterisk you can make multiple API requests concurrently, improving performance. Asterisk responsiveness asterisk your application remains responsive to user input, even when performing API calls in the background. 4. Custom data structures. Using data classes like the quote example makes your code more readable and maintainable. It also helps with type checking and data validation. Consider creating data classes or other custom data structures to represent the data returned by the API. Handling errors and rate limits. The underscore make underscore request method includes basic error handling and rate limit handling. Here are some additional tips. Asterisk detailed logging asterisk use the logging module to log errors, warnings, and informational messages. Asterisk custom exceptions asterisk define custom exception classes to represent specific API errors. Asterisk more sophisticated rate limiting asterisk implement more advanced rate limiting strategies, such as using a token bucket algorithm or a sliding window algorithm. Libraries like rate limit can help with this. td-ameritrade does provide information about rate limits in the headers of its responses. You can use this to adjust your request frequency dynamically. Asterisk retry with jitter asterisk when retrying after a rate limit error, add some jitter, randomness, to the delay to avoid overwhelming the API server. 6. Integration with modern frameworks. This redesigned library can be easily integrated with modern frameworks like fastapi. Here's a brief example. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk fastapi asterisk the code uses fastapi to create a REST API. Asterisk depends asterisk fastapis depends is used to inject the td-ameritrade client into the API endpoints. The get_td_client function initializes the client and returns it, making it available to the endpoints. It also takes advantage of the __enter___ and __exit__ functionality of the td-ameritrade client to properly start and close the IOP.client session. Asterisk read_quotes endpoint asterisk retrieves quotes for a comma-separated list of symbols. Asterisk read_account endpoint asterisk retrieves account information for a specific account ID. Asterisk response models asterisk it is recommended to use pedantic models or data classes for the return type of the API in order to have a response_model, which facilitates documentation generation. 7. Additional considerations and best practices. Asterisk authentication flow asterisk the example assumes you have already obtained an access_token and refresh_token. You'll need to implement the OAuth2 authentication flow to obtain these tokens initially. This usually involves redirecting the user to TD Ameritrade's authorization page and handling the callback. Consider using a library like auth-lib to simplify the OAuth2 flow. Configuration management *, avoid hard-coding sensitive information like your client _ID, access _token, refresh _token, and account _ID in your code. Use environment variables or a configuration file to store this information securely. Security * protect your access tokens and refresh tokens. Do not commit them to version control. Store them securely, example using a secrets management system. Be mindful of potential security vulnerabilities when handling financial data. Testing * write unit tests to ensure your API client is working correctly. Use mocking to simulate API responses and avoid making actual API calls during testing. Documentation * document your code thoroughly, especially the API client's methods and data structures. Observability * implement monitoring and alerting to track the performance and health of your application. This includes monitoring API request latencies, error rates, and rate limit usage. Summary. This tutorial provides a foundation for building a more flexible and customizable TD Ameritrade API client. By embracing modularity, asynchronous operations, custom data structures, and robust error handling, you can create a powerful and maintainable trading interface that meets your specific needs. Remember to consult the official TD Ameritrade API documentation for the latest information and best practices. Always prioritize security and responsible use of the API. Good luck.